please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. So here is MULN, Mullen Automotive. This finishes at $1.69 today. That is up 145.64%. So this was the big gainer today. Definitely short squeezing right now, and I believe this was number 2 on StockTwits. So have to talk about it today. This actually was trending last week as well on Friday, but no one really took this seriously. And today, massive price action, massive squeeze. So we're going to analyze it. So there was a reason as to why the stock went up so much today. We did have some news, so let's check it out first. Shares are trading higher after the company announced progress on solid-state polymer battery pack development. So I don't know much about this company, but it is an EV company. So they dropped that news today. Very bullish. Seems like the market really liked it, especially retail. Everyone jumping in here, buying the stock up, and it started getting a lot of attention on social media. Really created a domino effect. Everything started snowballing. A lot of mentions on social media, more people jumping in and squeezing the stock even higher. So huge gain today, and let's go ahead and analyze here. So we have a double gap down. First one at around 1190, and the second one at around 465. So those are both bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to 465 and 1190. May take a while, but eventually the gaps should fill. So a bullish indicator there, double gap down. This also appears to be a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low at 52 cents. And there are multiple possible tops. Could be 380, 570, 740, $9, 1050, 1165, or even the high of 1590. Although I do think the most realistic top would be 380. So that is currently a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Now today, this did gap up at 84 cents. So that'd be a bearish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should pull back to 84 cents eventually to fill this gap. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 160. So that's a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is telling us that the stock will probably pull back tomorrow. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is sitting on the support of 170, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 189, 223, 257, 272, 291, 322, 341, 360, and then 379. There is resistance above 379, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 136, 98 cents, 75 cents, 60 cents, and then the low of 52 cents. There is no support below 52 cents because that is the all-time low. So right now at this current price, 169, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this hits 257 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this hits 257. And to the downside, if/when this hits 75 cents, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this hits 79 cents. RSI is currently at 44, so that is pretty average, maybe a little bit below where it should be. So according to this RSI, this current price of 169 is around fair market value. Maybe should be a little bit higher. And this did 627 million in volume today. Very significant volume, biggest volume day of the year. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Very low float stock, so not hard to squeeze here. Okay guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So I do think this may have a little bit more room to run in the short term. May not be done squeezing just yet, but I definitely think the best part is over here. This should be pulling back pretty soon. In fact, it may already be over, but sometime here in the next few days, this should start pulling back. Longer term, definitely looks like a good play. Again, double gap down, cup and handle. So that looks good for the long term. Bullish indicators there. But in the short term, due to the aftermarket action pulling back and the gap up at 84 cents, those bearish indicators make me believe that this will pull back in the short term to at least 84 cents to fill this gap, possibly even lower. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. You already missed your chance. This already went up 145% today. Really can't expect it to go up that much higher. Like I said, it does have a bit more upside potential, but not too much. And we are getting some short-term bearish indicators here. So I would not FOMO into this. I think that's a pretty bad idea. Going long here would be a high-risk, medium reward play, I would say. Still upside potential, but you can get into a lot of trouble if this starts pulling back which it will very soon. So I don't recommend going long here. I think it's pretty dangerous. But if you do decide to go long, please do that at your own risk. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty good play to me. This may not be done squeezing just yet, but it's going to pull back pretty shortly here. I have a good feeling it's already over. So from this current price, 169 down to 84, where this gap up is, that is about a 50% downside. So a lot of downside potential, a lot of money to be made here on the downside. That being said, this may go to the upside a bit more. So as long as you're able to withstand some upside potential here, this seems like an excellent short play to me. I would say going short here would be a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely worth it. A lot of money to be made here. So I would support going short at 169 and higher. And I would say cover at 84 once this fills the gap for an easy 50% gain here. So pretty straightforward here, guys. Fat tennies today, but I do believe this will pull back in the short term. Longer term looks pretty good. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. But it looks like it's going to pull back, so secure the gains. Don't get too greedy, guys. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is MULN, Mullen Automotive. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.